Hey guys, so I'm taking apart the top end of my buddy, a 125. As you can see, the cover's off. I just got to the gasket in the back. I had to swap that out, but I just wanted to give you guys a tip on how to get to that so that you can pull it out. So as you can see right here, the carb sits on top of the engine and these bolts stick up. And so if you try to pull the top end out from just the normal stance of the buddy, you're not going to be able to, because these will hit this bar. And so what you have to do is you have to unscrew the suspension. So you just remove that, and then you jack up the engine or the wheel using a jack. And so what that does is that it puts it in a position like this, so the motor is lower so that you can pull this end out. So now that it's been lifted on that other side and the suspension has been removed, you can get to this and pull it out and get to the gasket in the back. Mine blew out maybe 500 miles ago, and so I ordered the part. The job's not too difficult, but it is labor intensive. You take out these 4 bolts and then you take out those 2. There's plenty of GY6 videos that show you how to do it online, but I did want to show you this trick so that you don't have to pull out the entire engine. You just lift up this tire, remove that, and of course you got to remove the panels, but it's not too difficult once you do that. So hope that helps people. Y'all take it easy. Bye bye.